Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The AG. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare ready to cook instant sambar recipe in 15 minutes, which is hostler and bachelor friendly with the help of electric rice cooker. So let's get into the video and know how to prepare sambar powder. So to prepare sambar powder, here I am dry roasting tur dal. Here I took approximately 1 cup of tur dal. Here I am frying tur dal on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. When tur dal has roasted well, I am keeping them aside in a plate. Now into the same pan I have added 1/4 cup of chana dal. Now dry roast it on low to medium flame till it changes into slight color. Now transfer this to a plate and let it cool down for some time. Now into the same pan I have added 1/4 cup of dry coconut. Dry coconut gives you nice flavor to our sambar. Now let it dry roast and let the excess moisture gets removed from the dry coconut. Now when the dry coconut is well fried, you can remove this and keep it in a plate. To this pan add half teaspoon of coriander seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them on low flame. Nice aroma comes out while you're frying the spices. Dry roast them on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes until all the spices change into little color. Now transfer this and let it cool down in a plate. Now here I have fried half teaspoon of urad dal and half teaspoon of chana dal. Dry roast it and keep them aside. Now into the same pan I have added 4 garlic cloves and 6 to 7 red chilies and 2 bunches of curry leaves. You can increase or decrease the amount of red chilies according to the spice level you prefer. Now dry roast all these ingredients. Into the same pan add the previous ingredients which we have dry roasted. To this pan add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as required, and dry roast all the ingredients at once. Now if you could see, our dry ingredients are ready. Now let them completely cool down and then grind into fine powder. Make sure that you cool the ingredients completely or else they will lose shelf life. That is, while you grind these ingredients, while they are little hot, moisture will be formed while you are storing in a container. So make sure that you always cool down these dry ingredients completely and then grind into fine powder. Now sieve these dry ingredients and collect the fine powder. To this sambar powder I added 1 big lemon size of tamarind pieces. You have to make sure that there are no insects inside the tamarind or else this tamarind may spoil the entire sambar powder. Store the sambar powder in an airtight container and carry this to your hostel or PG, and working people can pre-prep this sambar masala and prepare sambar instantly from this sambar powder in just 15 minutes. This stays good for 30 days. Let's make sambar with the help of pre-prepped sambar masala in an electric rice cooker at your hostel or PGs. Switch on the rice cooker and add 4 cups of water. Add chopped vegetables of your choice. Here I have added roughly chopped bottle gourd, roughly chopped onions, 2 to 3 sliced green chilies and 1 medium-sized tomato roughly chopped. Cover the lid of rice cooker and let the vegetables boil in cook mode. After 5 minutes, open the lid and check our vegetables are cooked. If you check, our vegetables are well cooked and are soft. Now we shall add sambar slurry. To prepare sambar slurry, I took 1 cup of sambar powder which we have pre-prepped and carried to our hostel or PGs. Add this 1 cup of sambar masala to 1 cup of water and prepare sambar slurry without any lumps. Add this sambar slurry into rice cooker and mix well. With the mentioned measurements in this video, this sambar serves up to 8 people. Add curry leaves and freshly chopped coriander leaves. To this sambar mixture, I added 3 cups of water. Mix well till everything is well combined and check if consistency is sufficient or not. If you feel that sambar is thick enough, you can increase 1 more cup of water. Check the taste and add salt if required. To balance sourness, add 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery. If jaggery is not available, you can also add sugar of 1/4 teaspoon. Cover the lid of rice cooker partially and let the sambar boil for 10 to 15 minutes in cook mode. After 10 to 15 minutes, if you open the lid and check, our sambar turns frothy, which means that our sambar is done. Manually change from cook mode to warm mode if you require sambar to stay little warm for some time. Turn off the switch and you can transfer the sambar to a bowl and serve the sambar with hot idlis or hot rice. That's it, your delicious and yummy sambar is ready. You can add tadka or else you can serve the sambar as such. This tastes equally delicious without tadka also. Are you missing homemade upma at your hostel? Then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare instant rava upma from homemade rava upma mixture which we are carrying to a hostel in an electric rice cooker. So stay tuned till this Friday at 2 p.m. To never miss an update from my channel, hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive notification as soon as I post a video. Like this video and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.